But the one that sticks in my mind most is when we were living with my parents in North London, in their flat, their apartment. And he gave me this lyric. This was very early on in our relationship. And we'd written some songs before, and we'd written some nice songs, but not really any great ones, I didn't think. Anyway, he gave me this lyric, and I went into the living room, sat down at the piano and read the lyric, and was blown away by the fact that a 17-year-old could come up with something so poignant and so beautiful. And I wrote the song really quickly, and I would not have had the life I've had, the career I've had. I wouldn't be here talking to you about it if it wasn't for this song. It's a little bit funny, this feeling inside. I'm not one of those who can easily hide. I don't have much money, but boy, if I did, I'd buy a big house where we both could live. If I was a sculptor, but then again, no, or a man who makes potions in a traveling show. I know not much, but it's the best I can do. My gift is my song, and this one's for you. You can tell everybody this is your song. It may be quite simple, but now that it's done, hope you don't mind, hope you don't mind that I put down in words how wonderful life is while you're in the world. I sat on the roof, I kicked up the moss with a few other verses. Oh, they got me quite cross, but the sun's been quite kind. Well, I wrote that song. It's for people like you that keep it turned on. So excuse me for getting, but these things I do, you see, I've forgotten if they're green or they're blue. Anyway, the thing is, what I really mean, you're not the sweetest eyes I've ever seen. And you can tell everybody this is your song. It may be quite simple, but now that it's done, hope you don't mind, hope you don't mind that I put down in words how wonderful life is while you're in the world. I hope you don't mind, I hope you don't mind that I put down in words how wonderful life is while you're in the world. That's your song.